like us to open our Bible to the book of Matthew 26, chapter 26. The long reading from verse 47. I'd like us to read first before we. Can somebody read? Read from verse 47 to 51. And verse 56. Then you jump to 69 to 75. Matthew 26, from 47 to 51, and from 56. You read 56, then you read 69 to 75.
Matthew 26 from 47
To 51.
to 51.
Yeah.
It says, and while he was still speaking, behold, Judas, one of the 12, with a great multitude, with sword and clubs, came from the chief priests and elders of the people. Now his betrayer had given them a sign, saying, whosoever I kiss, he is the one. Seize him. Immediately he went up to Jesus and said, greetings, Rabbi, and kissed him. But Jesus said to him, friend, why have you come? Then they came and laid hands on Jesus and took him. And suddenly, one of those who were with Jesus stretched out his hand and drew his sword, struck the servant of the high priest, and cut off his ear.
356.
56 says, but all this was done, that the scriptures of the prophet might be fulfilled. Then all the disciples forsook him and fled.
Read 69 to 75.
69. Yes. Now Peter sat outside in the courtyard, and a servant girl came to him, saying, you also were with Jesus of Galilee. But he denied it before them all, saying, I do not know what you are saying. And when he had gone out of the gateway, another girl saw him and said to those who were there, this fellow also was with Jesus of Nazareth. But again he denied with an oath, I do not know the man. And a little later those who stood by came up and said to Peter, surely you are also one of them, for your speech betrays you. Then he began to curse and swear, saying, I do not know the man. Immediately a robe